Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Akanksha and this is If We Desire Doodle. So Ganesh Chaturthi is around the corner and I thought आज के वीडियो में I will show you 3 very easy ways to do the drawing of Lord Ganesha or as we call him Ganpati Bappa. So I hope you like this video. Also, many of you are watching the video but have not subscribed. So I would like to tell you, please subscribe to my channel and do like the video if you like it. So let's get started. So मैं यहाँ पे फर्स्ट थिंग पेंसिल से स्केच आउट कर रही हूँ एंड देन वी विल डू द बॉर्डर्स एंड द कलरिंग पार्ट. So it is very simple. I'm going to show you 3 drawings of Lord Ganesha जो बहुत easy है, even kids can do it. So Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most auspicious festivals of Hindus, which is a 10-day celebration celebrated throughout Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat and many other states in India. Lord Ganesha is considered as the symbol of wisdom and is said to bring good luck. One of his names is called Vignaharta, which literally translates to removal of obstacles. So, मैं pray करूँगी to our Lord Ganesha that we all come out of this pandemic much more stronger and better and that it gets over very, very soon. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up if you do like it and don't forget to share it with your friends. I would definitely pray to Lord Ganesha that there is peace and harmony in the world and that the COVID pandemic gets over very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.